This is stock number C80073. It's a brand new 2012 Toyota Tundra. It's a 4.6-liter engine V8. Has upgraded fog lamps in the front and daytime running lights that are halogen. Also comes with 17-inch alloy rims and anti-lock brakes and Michelin tires. It is a double cab. It has a gray cloth interior, and the seats do fold up for extra storage space. Also has the upgraded tow package. Standard 6.5-foot bed. Gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon combined. Comes with heated mirrors, power locks and windows, power mirrors, manual seat adjustment, storage in the center console, which also folds up to become a third seat, dual climate control, AM/FM stereo and CD, also has an auxiliary port, has a cruise control, lighter odometer, external temperature and clock, rear view mirror, dome lights with storage, lots of leg room. Let's go take a look at the engine. There's the 4.6 V8. So if you have any questions, give us a call. Visit us at toyotabutte.com.